Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's set, we're going to keep it really simple by pulling in some beautiful colors from Valkyrie dips. We're going to be creating a press-on set on the shape short coffin, and we're also going to be using dip liquids for this entire set. We're going to start off with Tahitian Sunset, and this right here, it is so beautiful, and you could totally do a one color mani with this color right here. It's simply beautiful. So I'm just taking a very small amount of that dip base and working it all the way down on the nail here and then pulling it back up, just to ensure that I'm not flooding the underneath side of this press on here. And then we're going to dip into the cupcake liner. Now Tahitian Sunset is so pretty. It is the most gorgeous like blush color, and then it has these really beautiful flakes in here to give you like this like very ethereal, almost kind of like a rose quartz or like a blush quartz kind of effect. It's so pretty. I love the color of this base right here. It is just the perfect blush pink, and it's not like too peachy, it's not too nudie. It is just like by far the perfect blush here, and I'm loving it so much. So when you're working with a dip powder that has these flakes in it, you just want to make sure you're spending extra time making sure they're laying super flat. That's going to help you achieve like that really flat surface. But I am loving the first coat already. The coverage is there, and I really love this powder right here. If I could have one powder from Valkyrie dips, this might be hitting that top mark right here. It's just so pretty, and again, I'm loving the coverage so far. So we're gonna go ahead and use this on 4 nails today. I did have to stop myself when we were using this color because I could have easily done all 5 nails with this beautiful color, but we are gonna pull in a really fun glitter just to kind of tie in some more dimension to this set and give us a little bit of sparkle accent nail. And the glitter, it's not like a really bold glitter, it's more of like a muted glitter. You're gonna see what I'm talking about here in just a minute. But how gorgeous is this second coat? I mean, the first dip was everything, but the second one, it's so beautiful. This is like a good palette cleanser in a way because it still has like that neutral undertone to it, but then you still have like this beautiful pop of like that opalescence glitter kind of shining through with these flakes. Very pretty, and I will say that I do love this so much, and I'm sure you probably already figured that out. But overall, such a fun, easy dip powder to work with. I will say it's not staining my brush, and I'm not getting any of those flakes in my liquids either, which is definitely a plus because sometimes when you are working with these mylar flakes, it can transfer into your dip liquid, and I'm not experiencing any of that with this powder right here. All right, so enough chit chat. We've been doing a lot of chit chat here on my channel, so I thought today we would just dive into this set here and just enjoy all these beautiful colors in action. And then I'm gonna pop back in just a little bit.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Alright, so we're almost crossing that finish line here. We're heading into the final steps. I'm going to go ahead and use a lint-free wipe here and just make sure I'm removing any extra activator that may be lingering behind the nails here today, since I am going to go in with the dip top coat. I know that's kind of rare. I do love my gel top coat, but today we're going to stick with all dip liquids here. So I'm just making sure I'm taking the extra step just to remove any extra activator, just to make sure we are not cross-contaminating that top coat. All right, so for the top coat, we're going to go in with that Sparkle & Co. top coat. The first layer, I'm just going to make sure the nail is covered, and I'm doing 3 to 4 swipes just to make sure that that nail is completely covered. If you go over that first coat a couple times with that brush, you are going to risk hardening that brush. So that first coat, you're just doing 3 to 4 quick swipes just to cover that entire nail, and then we can get more precise in our application with the second go round. So this glitter right here, see how it's like a more of like that muted glitter? It's very subtle, and it's still pulled in like those neutral tones to just kind of just give us like that extra pop of dimension here. So now we're going in with the second layer here of that top coat, and I'm just going to be more precise in my application, making sure this nail is completely covered. And then that is all we're doing for today's set. Super simple. So I finished the rest of the top coat off camera, and here's our very simple set today. I love these colors so much. They are just so beautiful together. Again, Tahitian Sunset could have been a set all on its own, but I really wanted to incorporate Aster, that really fun glitter. It's a very muted glitter, and it has like this beautiful like milky base with some fun matte glitter pieces in there. I just thought that was really fun and unique. But overall, these powders from Valkyrie Dips were a dream to work with. Very easy, very buttery, and I had very minimal staining on my brush, which I love so much. So everything that we did use in today's set can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's simple set. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.